Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you a simple trick how you can nudge objects and images or elements in your projects on Canva. So let us get started. So guys, let's assume for instance you have a text element like this one here, a text box, and now we'd like to move it along your design here by nudging it slightly. You may do it guys by simply left clicking onto your element or object, in this case here the text box, and after that simply use your key arrows on your keyboard up, down, left to the right to move it or to nudge it along your design. As you can see, if I press and hold the arrow to the right key on my keyboard, the object or the text box is moving to the right slowly. So if you'd like to increase the nudging speed or movement speed, guys, what you want to do is simply press and hold left shift on your keyboard and again press one of these arrows just like that, as you can see. So it is actually pretty simple. Works like Tetris in this case here. So super simple guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.